Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover your Ubisoft account. If you're unable to log into your Ubisoft account, then what you can do is, in order to recover it, make sure to stick with us till the end. Check your internet connection as well. So go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in account.ubisoft.com/login. So this is going to take you to the login field. As you can see, in order to log into your account, you'll be asked to provide in your credential, that is your email address, and then a password. After you're done entering your email address, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as forgot your password. So just tap on it, and this is going to take you to the support center page, where it will ask you to enter in your email address or the registered email address. Also make sure to mark on these terms and then click on the submit button. Now a reset link will be sent to your email, so go back, open up your Gmail. As you can see that I received a recovery link, so just tap on it, click on reset password, which is right at the bottom. As you can see that I've received a reset link, so you can just tap on reset your password, which is right over here, and then reset your password. So you can just type in your new password. Also make sure to go through the criteria below, and after that type in twice in order to confirm. And after you're done changing your password, click on change, which is right at the bottom, and this is going to change your password. And that is how you can change your password as well as recover your Ubisoft account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.